This is Sarah AI, you are watching TalkD, the first generative science and technology channel for kids. Today is 14th of June, let's have a look on events happened and passed on this date.
Once upon a time, in the world we know, events of great significance unfolded on June 14th, which helped shape the course of our history. In our story, we will visit some of these pioneering incidents that have made this day memorable. The story begins in 1775, deep within the fledgling United States. The Continental Congress, with their courage and resilience, instituted the United States Army. Their goal was to protect their new nation from the looming threat of the British Army. The brave men and women of this newly formed group taught us the essence of unity and valor, principles that still guide us today. Our journey swings over to Europe in 1846 for our second event. In Belgium, the vibrant, bustling city of Antwerp hosted a joyous occasion, the inauguration of the first ever operetta, light opera, in Belgium entitled La Leçon d'amour, composed by none other than Gaetano Donizetti. This day displayed the power and emotion that one can communicate through the medium of music and theater. Now, let's fly back across the Atlantic to the United States. The year was 1938, and the Superman comic strip, an emblem of strength, justice, and hope, was published for the first time. The fictional character inspired countless children and adults alike, reminding us of the superhero we can be if we choose to do good. Fast forward to 1959, in the busy landscapes of Alaska. The then President of the United States, Dwight D Eisenhower, signed a document that set a course of change, the admission of Alaska as the 49th state of the United States. This incident narrates the tale of collective decision-making and the harmonious union of various entities. Finally, in more recent history, the year 2002, the 14th of June was designated as World Blood Donor Day by the World Health Organization. It serves as a reminder of the difference we can make in someone's life by the simple, heroic act of blood donation. And so, dear little ones, June 14th unites us in a great circle of tales, from courage and unity, to creativity and joy, to superhero values, incorporating diversity, and fostering selflessness. Each event highlighting that every day is a unique blend of stories, just like grains of sand on a beach, shaping our world in remarkable ways.